Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the USB 2.0 TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter which I bought from Amazon a few days back. I found this TP-Link adapter the most rated one on Amazon. I will be comparing the adapter bandwidth with the already available Wi-Fi cards on laptops running Linux and Windows to see how helpful the adapter can be. Beginning with the Windows PC, the adapter has already been connected. You can see that the adapter is detected as Wi-Fi 2. Let's go with testing the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter first. For all the testings, I will be connecting to a Wi-Fi of bandwidth 150 Mbps and the laptop is away from the router by around 1.5 meters. Let's check the hardware properties of the connected TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter. The link speed is reported to be 120 megabits per second, both receive and transmit. The manufacturer description shows as TP-Link. Please note that the adapter must be bound to the proper driver to get this right. Only the 2.4 GHz network band is available with this adapter, unlike most of the PC Wi-Fi cards which has dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz is basically longer range and less speed compared to the 5 GHz band. I will be using the speedtest.net site to check the upload and download speeds. Starting with the TP-Link adapter speed test. We can see a ping of 3 milliseconds and constant download speeds of 34 to 35 Mbps. Note that I have connected this Wi-Fi to a bandwidth of 150 Mbps and the link speed reported by the adapter was 120 Mbps. Now the upload test. We see around 42 to 43 Mbps. I will perform all the tests twice for better analysis. Download speed of 34.32 Mbps and upload speed of 41.63 Mbps is what we get in the first try. Now the second attempt with the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter. I will be fast forwarding all the tests to finish it soon. We can see 39.79 Mbps of download speed and 43.77 Mbps of upload speed. The second attempt surely gave better speeds than the first one. Now let's switch to the already integrated Wi-Fi card on the PC. I'll turn off the adapter and use the primary Wi-Fi card. Checking the hardware properties, the primary Wi-Fi is configured to use the 5 GHz band and you can see that the link speed is 780 Mbps. I will switch to the 2.4 GHz band for a fair comparison. We can change this in the device manager under network adapter. You can see the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter device as well. I will now select the Intel dual band wireless device. Go to properties, then advanced and change the band from dual band to 2.4 GHz. The device manager will refresh and the Wi-Fi card also will reconnect to the network. Now we can go back to the properties page and check the details. The band is now changed to 2.4 GHz and the link speed is decreased to 300 Mbps. Now let us test the speeds with the Windows laptop Wi-Fi card. We can see a ping of 2 milliseconds and download speed reaching more than 100 Mbps. This is with the available Wi-Fi card on the laptop. The upload speed is about 95 Mbps. This is more than double of what we got with the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter. These are the results and let's quickly test it again. This time I get a download speed of around 74 Mbps and 100 Mbps of upload speed. When compared with the previous test, there is significant difference. I will perform the test again. The third test with the primary card on the laptop yields 108 Mbps download and 101 Mbps upload speeds. There are three readings that I got from the inbuilt Wi-Fi card, which averages to around 95 Mbps download and 98 Mbps upload speed. We can see that the available Wi-Fi card on laptop gives far better bandwidth than the adapter. Let's try the same on a very old laptop running Linux Ubuntu. The inbuilt Wi-Fi card is disconnected and now I'm testing the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter with the speedtest.net site. We can see more than 60 Mbps download speed. This is a separate scenario. while the laptop is still connected to the 150 Mbps Wi-Fi link and placed 1.5 meters away from the router. The upload speed seems to be around 44 Mbps. This is the final results of the first test, around 62 Mbps download and 44 Mbps upload speed. Let's try it again. In the second attempt, we get download speed of 60 Mbps and upload speed of 45 Mbps. Not much difference between the two tests. Connecting to the inbuilt Wi-Fi on Linux. We see around 57 Mbps download. The upload speed is around 46 Mbps. In the Wi-Fi adapter test, we had seen better results. Testing it again, we can see 60 Mbps download speed and around 50 Mbps upload speed. So in this laptop running Linux Ubuntu kernel 4.4.0, if we compare the Wi-Fi adapter test to the inbuilt Wi-Fi, we see better download speeds with the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter and better upload speeds with the inbuilt Wi-Fi. This is the summary and the comparison table of the tests performed. So, if you already have a PC which is performing decent, then the Wi-Fi adapter will be of no help. But in the other case, if you have a very old PC and the Wi-Fi speeds are very less, then this TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter will be useful as it serves the purpose. Please put down your comments on the review. Let me know if you want me to perform any other specific tests. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you guys.